2050 वर्सां सगळ्या क्षेत्रांनी 100% रिन्यूवेबल एनर्जीचो वापर करपाचो लक्ष्य गोंय सरकारान दवरला अशें मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान सांगलें। ह्या म्हत्वाकांक्षी येवजणेक लागून सुमार 15,000 अतिरिक्त रोजगार निर्माण जावपाची अपेक्षा सरकाराक आसा। तशेंच 500 नोकऱ्यो फक्त सौर आनी वायू उर्जा निर्मिती क्षेत्रा खातीर समर्पित करतले अशी माहिती मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी दिली। CIIच्या क्लीन रिन्यूवेबल एनर्जी 2023 ह्या परिशदेच्या दुसऱ्या आवृत्तीक संबोधित करतना तो उलयतालो।
Goa has been a forefront in implementing promoting the uses of the renewable energy in a state. The state government is a plan to have the 100% renewable energy by 2050 for all sectors in Goa. After collecting the data and holding the numerous consultations with the stakeholders, the energy action plan for all the sectors, the electricity, transport, agriculture, fisheries and industries, among others, have been completed will soon be adopted by the state. It is estimated that implementation by the 100% renewable energy plan will create approximately 15,000 additional jobs. As a matter of fact, annually the state can create the 500 jobs exclusively for the solar and wind energy generation. The Goa government has set a target to generate 150 megawatt green energy in the next 2 years and will also set up the 100 megawatt solar power plant across the state. State government has also signed the MOU to develop the India's first conversion project for the generation of the green energy for the rural and agriculture consumptions and will be soon rolling out the affordable clean power project. The Goa state government has been working persistently towards making this project successful, and with these initiatives, I am confident that Goa will be becoming the green state.